Hi guys, today we're going to look at a Bil Sao punch combination. So Bil Sao thrusting or spearing hand, fantastic against round punches. We need to understand, I guess, that when we compare it with a Larp Sao, it's a little bit further out, so we need to get the range right and the shape right. But it's an awesome, it's a basic deflection and strike that you'll use a lot of the time, so it's very effective and doesn't let you down when used properly. Okay, so from our front stance position, we've got our guard up. This Bil Sao is triangular, so the fingertips are drawing toward the inside of the shoulder. Okay, I've got this elbow out and then on the central line. So it's not on the centre. I don't have the hand and the wrist wedged right in front because that doesn't provide enough leverage for me. If I'm using it that way, it's too close, so I'm pushing it out the central line for that deflection. So Bil Sao punch, okay? Again, turning out facing the point of contact, Bil Sao punch. Stepping with that front foot, Bil Sao punch. Bil Sao punch. The hard part when we first start is learning that we've got one elbow out and I need to keep the other elbow down for the straight punch. Okay, switch, other side, so Bil Sao punch. Bil Sao is a great block against round punches. You're using this hard part of that forearm on the inside of those round strikes. So I don't need to focus on trying to hurt my opponent. This block is a perfect shape. I'm using the perfect part of my skeleton and that will do the damage as required. So I just need to make sure I get that arm up, keep that in the right position structurally, and then I get that counter strike if need be on the other side of that as well. So simultaneous block and strike with a Bil Sao punch, and of course I can then do that on the other side if necessary. Thank you.